we have here the steel frame of our machine, and then from that, ito na yung mga inuuna nating ilagay, and then from that hanggang makumpleto, and then kapag okay na, we will set the program, and once we set the program, we will run it through days to ensure na okay, and then after that, that is the time na isi-ship na siya sa Pilipinas. So with this is already improved machine of our house. We have changed a lot through the years, no? So yung mga na-encounter natin noon na mga issue, mabilis nating binabago, and now we are close to perfection. Nauna lang tayo sa ating technical team and engineering department, but the next week nandito na sila, or next week, para mag-assemble ng machine, no? So dahil tumataas din ang ating demand, sila din ay yung ating technical and nagto-troubleshoot sa Pilipinas, ay sila din ay mismong gagawa na ng machine. Kaya yun yung ma-address namin na expertise ang aming company. We can also assemble our own machine, but then we cannot do it in the Philippines because we have lack of materials, lalo na sa mga pangkat and then sa availability ng spare parts. Kung dadalhin namin sa Pilipinas ay matatagalan, masahaba yung production, and we want to make it quick, kaya dito natin siya ginagawa. But then dito pag ginagawa natin, even our technical and engineering department are now under training on how to build the machine from A to Z up until na mabuo at tumakbo ito, para sa ganon mas madali at maging expert sila sa pag-troubleshoot at sa pag-maintain. Based on our feedback and survey, okay naman na naging performance sa ating engineering and technical department sa Pilipinas. Yet we don't stop there. We want more improvement. So marami kayong mapapansin na pagbabago sa aming machine, and also we have to maintain kung ano yung tibay niya, because for the past 3 years we have running machines and there's still repeat client. Ito yung ating mga machine na isi-ship sa Pilipinas and under production. So dito, ito yung mga bago nating inaaral, but then before natin ilabas sa market totally, we are the one who will test it. For some other features, hindi pa po namin masabi sa inyo kasi hindi pa rin kami kumpiyansado doon sa bagong improvement, because we have the version 1 na talaga matibay, yet we are not stopping on improving. That's why we are improving it, but then we have to ensure that it really works for us before we do that, because we are now also targeting kung paano mas mapapababa yung kuryente. So gaya na sinasabi ko, tubig at kuryente nagkukos siya ng 2 pesos, and we are now targeting to get at least 1 pesos to 1.5 cents ng cost lang ng kuryente, and we have new program and system to do that. Patuloy nating hinuhubog yung kasanayan natin sa paggagawa at pag-maintain at pag-troubleshoot ng machine, because that really matters. And we also have a strong partnership here in China that if it will be lack of manpower somehow, we have different foreign partners to help us to troubleshoot. So bigyan ko na idea. Let's say this part, we encounter problem on this, and then medyo magiging mabago siya sa technical and engineering department namin sa Pilipinas. This brand, Danfoss, is under our partnership, so we can ensure that we will give us a backup support on how to do a troubleshoot. But then the most important among all this, the most important is that they can give us a replacement of the parts. So only a replacement for the next 12 months under warranty sa client namin. So strong support na binibigay nila sa amin, because we are their top business partner and exclusive partner in the Philippines. They will give us a huge support for our parts, so that we can maintain our good credibility and we can maintain a long-lasting partnership together with our foreign partners and together with our Filipino clients. Pansinin nyo, this machine use single phase for the 1-tonner. To be honest, it could last for 1 year, but not for the next 2 years, 3 years, because ang machine na ito is industrial. Napakalakas ang consumption nito sa kuryente dahil ito lang yung puhunan natin. And then, can you imagine, this single entrance of electricity will absorb the 24/7 flow of electricity para tumakbo yung machine 24/7 for a single phase. It may happen, but then hindi siya sustainable, hindi siya magtatagal ng taon. Bibigay at bibigay yung buong system, kasi minsan maglalak yung supply na papasok, minsan naman magsosobra yung supply na papasok. That's why in powerhouse we have powerhouse box that is one of the most advanced equipment that we have to ensure na yung papasok na kuryente sa machine nyo ay kontrolado at nasa maayos so that it could last for long. And then nakakatipid tayo sa kuryente kasi hindi fluctuated at hindi sobra-sobra yung kuryente o hindi mababa naman yung kuryente na sinusupply niya sa machine. So pag maganda yung pasok ng kuryente, maganda yung performance sa machine. In the company, we are the person who really knows how to use the powerhouse box, and in other countries, they don't have like box na ginagamit natin. So napipilitan sila na i-convert to into single phase kahit na may consequence siya after years kasi hindi nila kayang gawin kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa Pilipinas. Alam niyo naman ng mga Pilipino maparaan. Kaya hinahayaan na lang nila kaysa naman mag 3-phase supply sa India, sa Thailand na magpapahirap sa mga client nila na magpapababa ng benta nila. Pero for us, we don't do that, but then hindi natin i-compromise yung quality ng machine, no? So mapapansin niyo rin ang compressor na ginagamit ng ibang supplier sa India, Thailand is the Kaplan. To be honest, you can have your background check kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng Kaplan sa Bitzer, and this is far different. Bitzer will always be my top choice, and yun yung binibigay natin sa client for more than 3 years, and then for more than 20 years na nila ginagamit ang mga machine na ito. Yung Bitzer ang pinakamagandang brand na ginagamit nila, and subok ko na rin kung gaano katibay ang Bitzer. And napakahalaga nito kasi ang Bitzer nagpapalamig at nagbubuo ng yelo. So yun mga kayelo, yan ang isa sa pinaka-aasahan nyo kapag ka-partner nyo si Powerhouse. Non-stop improving, non-stop innovation, but then we ensure that every piece of machines that we supply to you, you will be able to produce a good eyes on each piece of it.